We got Roush from BDS today helping us out with our showroom, making sure it's legit for the customizations that come to it. But Bruce came, he came through.
We came with the heat today.
He came with the heat today.
So
Ooh.
this is Project Fire Command.
I'm going to let Bruce take over, y'all. Check this out.
So this is Project Fire Command. We built this 2 years ago for Ford Motor Company. Had this in for the past 2 years. Still draws a ton of attention. As you can see, it's a two-door sport that we cut the back off, slid the cab forward, and now if you come around here, this is the one and only Bronco truck. Not another one in the country, another one in the world. We built this for Ford Motor Company. I'm here with my friends at Akins. Got to bring it by, let them check it out. This one also sports full Fox coilovers, 2.5s, all your BDS suspension components, riding on 37s. I mean, this thing is slap nasty. I mean, in 45 days, this thing has been at SEMA, up a peninsula going snow wheeling, and then I put in the mud in Alabama. So it's the real deal. So yeah, check it out. Let us know what you think about it, and maybe we can get Neal to get some of his products off of it.
Thanks so much, Bruce. And like, I saw this at SEMA 2 years ago, filmed this thing in depth. Like it was stunning. It was the vehicle to me that was like the most unique at SEMA. That's hard to imagine, but it was just, seeing it 2 years ago, it just was like, oh my gosh, they done outdone themselves. How long did this project take?
So from start to finish, this project took about 9 months. We kind of collaborated with Ford. And if you remember, back in the first generation Broncos, all your fire stations had a Bronco. Well, and it was a truck. I mean, so we're like, Ford's like, hey, let's redo that. Was like, well, okay, I guess we can do that. Can we cut it in half? Absolutely. So here you go.
Y'all know that we love BDS, for many great reasons, but their attention to detail and testing is second to none as far as making sure everything is legit. They've got bumpers now as well.
Yep, so this is our Crawtech line bumpers that we just launched about 2 weeks ago. These are ultra sleek, direct 100% bolt on. All your proximity sensors, radar, everything is built in, so you will not lose nothing. Winch capable, skid plate capable. So yeah, I mean, you guys are ready to go with this stuff. Also, we got, if you look down a little bit, you can see we got the JKS lower skids on there for your lower control arms. We got the RCV axles in it, and we got those awesome Fox 2.5 coilovers.
Man, what a legit kit. Again, the detail with the gold tying in with the race red, and just it being a two-door truck now,
right.
Truly amazing. Got your winch down below. 37s was the way to go.
Yep.
This suspension system here, I've been eyeing that for quite a while now. What's your thoughts about the articulation and how well it drives with that suspension under it?
Well, just to let you guys know, so I drove this 18 hours back from Michigan. I mean, so it rides phenomenal. I mean, it does get a little top heavy at times because of short wheelbase, but overall the ride quality is phenomenal. And like I said, we built this to bang on it and beat on it. It's already been to Moab, it's been to the UP, it's been to Alabama in the mud. I mean, so we don't just build them to put in the showroom floor, we build them to beat on them.
Did you personally have more fun in the snow or in the mud?
Mud all the way. I'm from Georgia. It's mud all the
way.
Go Dogs.
Is the Alabama mud different than the Georgia mud?
It's a little more dirty out there. Yeah. A little more dirty in Alabama.
Everything's a little more dirty in Alabama. Go Dogs. I had to throw that in there, y'all. But truly a phenomenal rendition here, a one of one. So special, just like BDS, just like all their parent companies, just like my man Bruce right here. So we love the relationships and connections. That's what make us great, is everyone that we surround ourselves with is great. Hence, my man right here and BDS and Fox and all their other great companies. We know and trust in them for everything. So if you want us to try and tackle doing something similar as this, we will. We're going to have some help and advice and guidance, but just wanted to bring you this really, really cool two-door, unique, one-of-one Bronco today. It means so much that we trust in you, Bruce. Appreciate you, big dog.
Thank you guys for everything you do for us. And guys, be sure to check out Akins Ford. They've got all of our brands. They got the skill set. They're an authorized warranty and repair center for all of our products. So this is the go-to place for all of our stuff.
No doubt. Thank you for that, Bruce. So we knew that we wanted to be diverse in our offerings, but we also knew that BDS was our main go-to player that we wanted to have. Having them as our primary, we're going to offer that as our primary focus because we know of the quality there. So stay tuned for much more coming from us with many more BDS builds in the future.
Thanks guys.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
See y'all later.
Later.